Hello everyone, we are at Ras Al Khaimah's Marina and it's a yacht club with waterfront along with its beach. Here maximum of you will find the private yacht because you can also have the yacht membership access. I have been to Ras Al Khaimah. You will find all the entire series of Ras Al Khaimah pinged in below description. Here is the map with the location of the videos. This place is situated next to the Ras Al Khaimah city. This place holds a spectacular view of waterfront and restaurants. You will also find the children's play area, parking spot for free. Also, the entry is also free, so nothing to mind and worry about. Just come, sit and relax. Here, you will also find the paid visitor pass for the yacht and boat tour for the exploration. This place also holds some breath-holding views from the residential apartments with the best amenities. That's it for today from the Ras Al Khaimah series. Thank you for supporting us. New to my channel, if you like my videos then don't forget to subscribe, like and comment your thoughts.